Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful floral motif titled Floribunda. So it is worked with 3 colors and you have a flower with a green outer round. Okay, let's go into the video without much delay. I have used Aran yarns for this and a 0.5 mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video immediately friends. With color A and 5 mm hook, chain 6. Now slip stitch and join to the first chain. Makes 16 single crochets into the ring that is formed. You can chain 1 and begin. That will give a better definition. So chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. Now place 16 single crochets into the ring. So I shall place 16 single crochets and get back. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and join, form a ring. So I'm going to do the invisible method. Sorry. This happens, but it can be set right, yeah. Yes. Now place a standing DC on the very first stitch. You can alternatively you can make chain 6, which will count as 1 double crochet and chain 3 space. So now chain 3, skip the next 2 stitches, skip 1 and make a double crochet in the next. Chain 3, skip 1 double crochet in the Now either make 6 chains or pull up the loop and make a standing double crochet in the very first stitch. I prefer the standing double crochet. Thereafter chain 3, skip the next SC and place a double crochet in the next. Again chain 3, skip the next and on the following place a double crochet. So continue this round in this manner. You should be having 8 DCs and 8 chain 3 spaces. Okay, I shall get back where I began. I have placed 8 double crochets with 8 chain 3 place. Last, make chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch to the third chain of the first 6 chains or the double crochet here on top of the double crochet. So I'm going to slip stitch onto the top of the double crochet here. Yes. I prefer to do the invisible slip stitch joining. Yes. Now chain 1 and into every chain 3 space you're going to work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So I have chained 1. This chain 1 does not count as any stitch. Okay, so 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets. one half double crochet now, and one single crochet. So again in the next chain 3 space, place the same set of stitches, one single crochet, one half double crochet, 5 double crochets, one half double crochet, one single crochet. Continue the pattern by placing these sets of stitches in each of the chain 3 spaces. I shall complete and get back. I have completed the sets of SCD, half DC and DCs. Now slip stitch and join to the very first SC and fasten off. Okay, I should also slip stitch, join, fasten off and get back to you. Take color B and join between the two single crochets, any two single crochets. Okay, so insert the hook, join with the slip stitch, place a single crochet in the chain 1 and place a single crochet in the same space. Now chain 6, and this chain 6 has to go behind, not in the front, behind this petal here. Again single crochet between the two SCs. So this will go behind, we can put it behind afterwards. Okay, again chain 6, so continue for the entire round. I shall complete and get back. I have completed the round and I have slip stitched to the first single crochet that I began with and joined. Now we need to work one petal with a combination of SC, HDC, 6DC, HDC, SC in each of these chain 6 spaces. So let us place one, chain 1, you chain 1 and begin, one single crochet, one half double crochet, 6 double crochets, one half double crochet and one single crochet. So place these stitches, sets of stitches in each of the remaining 7 spaces. I shall also complete and get back. So completed the 8 petals, slip stitch to the first single crochet, join and fasten off this round. I shall be back with the third color for this floret. With color C, you can join to the second DC of the petal here. So this is SC, half double crochet, DC. So here we need to join. So I'm going to make a standing SC here and join. So 1, 2, 3 and the fourth. Made it directly an SC. Chain 6, skip 2 stitches, skip 2 DCs and place a single crochet in the next DC. Chain 6, single crochet in the second DC of the next floret. So SC, HDC, DC and here. So this is the stitch repeat here. Chain 6 again, skip 2, and in the next single crochet. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall also complete and get back. So this is how it will appear on all the petals. Come to the last leg. Instead of making chain 6, I'm going to chain 3, join to the first single crochet with a double crochet, so that we bring the stitch to the center of the ring formed, or the space. Now in this we need to make, to begin with, 4 double crochets. It can be chain 3 and 3 double crochets, or you can start with a standing double crochet, three more double crochets into the chain space, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain space. Now chain 4, 4 double crochets, chain 4, 4 double crochets in this corner. Chain 4, 4 double crochets again in the same corner, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 4. So again you would start with this corner, make the stitches on this side, again continue. I shall also continue and complete the end and get back to you. So I've completed all the 3 sides here. Now to complete the first half corner, I've placed my last single crochet here, chain 4, 4 double crochets. After the chain, making a double crochet or any stitch is little dicey, so you need to hold and do. Chain 4 and slip stitch to the first DC or the third chain of the first 3 chains, okay, and then fasten off. I have slip stitched and fastened off the last color here, and I have hidden the yarns too. Now here we complete the Floribunda as pronounced by US and Floribunda as pronounced in UK. Okay, this is a beautiful flower motif and it can be used for a variety of projects. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you once again. Have a great day friends. Bye.